Welcome, food enthusiasts, to our channel. Today, we embark on a flavorful journey through the world of Italian minestrone soup, uncovering intriguing and lesser-known facts about this beloved dish. Get ready to warm your soul with every spoonful. Buongiorno, my friends. Minestrone soup is a cherished Italian classic that has been nourishing families for generations. But did you know that minestrone traces its roots back to ancient Rome? This soup has stood the test of time, evolving and adapting with each generation, making it a true culinary icon. One fascinating fact about minestrone soup is its versatility. It's a culinary canvas that allows you to showcase a variety of seasonal vegetables. Traditionally, it includes a medley of vegetables like carrots, celery, onions, potatoes, tomatoes, and beans, but feel free to experiment and add your favorite ingredients. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's dive into the delightful flavors of minestrone soup. The combination of aromatic herbs, vegetables, and a savory broth creates a harmonious blend of flavors. Each spoonful offers a comforting and nourishing experience, with a balance of textures and a depth of taste that is both satisfying and heartwarming. Here's an intriguing twist. Minestrone soup is not just a delicious meal, but it also reflects the concept of cucina povera, which means poor cooking. Historically, Italian families would make minestrone using simple and affordable ingredients, making the most out of what they had. It's a testament to the resourcefulness and creativity of Italian cuisine. So, my friends, there you have it, the richness of Italian minestrone soup. A soul-warming dish that celebrates tradition, adaptability, and the joy of simple ingredients. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your minestrone soup experiences in the comments below. Until next time, buon appetito!